It's an ox and a moron. That's what it is. And extra bonus points if you know what movie that line came from. Struggle is real, my friends. We're back at it. You know, in the plan today, let me show you in the book here. Okay, this is the original frame that I used, and see this little bracket back here in the back? Right there? That was to contain that big square open box, which obviously I'm not using anymore. So I cut that off of there, and there's these little stubs left. I gotta grind them off. Let me show you. So right back here, you see this is where I cut one of them off, and I cut another one off right here, another one off right over here, and I gotta grind that smooth because I can't leave that on there. It also attached right here up front by the front of the wheel. I gotta grind that one off. Another one just like it over here. So I guess it's back to the old grind. This is gonna take forever. One down, 5 to go. My last video was, I liked it and everything, but man, the resolution was terrible. Let me show you why. It's right here. Now normally I use all Canon equipment, and my wife bought herself a brand new DSLR camera, but it's no good for videos, but she had this camera. It's a Nikon, name brand camera, video capable, all that kind of stuff. It's no DSLR. It's just an average camera. It's a Coolpix L100. And so anyway, she gave it to me. She says, yeah, go ahead. You can have it. I don't like it. You can use it. Well, I figured it out. The resolution on this thing, I was running on max resolution, and my video was still grainy. So I guess that's a no-starter. So I'm back to the Canon. The reason I wasn't wanting to use the Canon is because every once in a while you'll see a bunch of spots, like water spots on the lens, and I can't get to it the way this camera's set up to fix it. So to properly clean it. So every once in a while you're gonna have to deal with that until I can get a better camera. Anyway, well, that grinding took a lot longer than I anticipated, but I'm still gonna pull the body off the front of this thing, get it ready to pull the engine. Put this book up where I can find it. Parts in here I cannot lose. I guess it'll be next video that I pull the engine and start taking it apart and getting it cleaned up and made pretty. Well, there we go. The engine is all exposed again. Guess it's time to make it pretty. Maybe I'll just do most of it right there, because that's like held in place and wide open. I should be able to do just about everything right here. I think I will. I don't think I'm going to pull it out. Look at that. That is just easy to get to like that. Either side. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean it up right there and paint it. Get the parts off, do my plating, all the stuff. Well, I just went in the house and grabbed a snack and talked to my son and my wife who are watching football because they're football fans. And believe me, I really hope their football team makes a home run or whatever it is, but I got a car to work on. And anyway, after I grabbed my snack, I told my son, I said, it's back out to my inner sanctum. And he looked at me and he says, that makes no sense. And I said, you're right. It's an ox and a moron. That's what it is. And extra bonus points if you know what movie that line came from. What do you think? You think I should pull the engine and do it on the engine stand, or should I do it right there in the frame? I don't know. Kind of interested in what you have to say about that. Anyway, like and subscribe if you like this. It's gonna get interesting.